Let's install your new Kichler Vanity fixture. Follow these simple instructions and we'll have your fixture up in no time. Before you begin, we recommend gathering a ladder, an extra person for assistance lifting the fixture, and any tools suggested in the printed instructions. And don't forget the light bulbs. All the hardware you'll need is included in the box, as well as warranty information. Be sure to disconnect the power at the main circuit breaker panel or main fuse box. We recommend you get a no-touch voltage tester to ensure the wiring is safely disconnected from the power. Start by removing the existing light fixture. Then confirm the wires coming from the wall are black and white. If they are not, we recommend calling a certified electrician. Make sure to keep the printed instructions handy. Each fixture has unique instructions you can refer to along the way. Attach the new mounting bracket to the junction box on your wall. Connect the fixture wires to the wires in the wall. Simply make ground connections with all required parts and wires. Connect the white and black supply wires. Carefully tuck in the remaining wire, making sure it doesn't get pinched. Secure your vanity light to the wall with the included mounting hardware. Carefully secure the shades and appropriate light bulbs for your fixture. Turn the electricity back on at the breaker box and turn on your new fixture. Congratulations! You've installed your new Kichler Vanity fixture, and it looks amazing. Enjoy your new Kichler Vanity fixture.